Welcome to the AI Ad Action channel. If you want to make your meetings more efficient with the help of AI, then today's video is just for you. In this video, I will guide you on how to set up and use Fireflies.AI, a smart AI assistant that helps you manage, take notes, and analyze your meetings professionally. Let's get started. What is Fireflies.AI? It's an AI assistant that automatically records, transcribes, summarizes, and even analyzes your meetings. What's more, Fireflies integrates seamlessly with platforms like Zoom, Google Meet, Slack, and many more. You no longer need to take notes manually or worry about missing important details. Sounds exciting, doesn't it? But that's just the tip of the iceberg. Now I'll guide you step by step on how to set up Fireflies. First, you need to create an account at Fireflies.ai. If you haven't already, go to the website and sign up now. After registering, let's configure some essential settings. Head over to the Settings section. Set your language. Choose the language you use, such as English. Privacy settings. Set your note-sharing option to only me to keep your information secure. Trust me, this is crucial. App integrations. Connect Fireflies to Zoom and Google Meet. These are the two most commonly used platforms. Now Fireflies is ready to go. When you join a meeting, Fireflies will automatically join if you've enabled the integration. But if it doesn't join on its own, don't worry, you can manually add it by copying the meeting link and pasting it into Fireflies. And when the meeting ends, you'll receive a complete recording, summary, and even a list of key questions discussed. It's incredibly handy for tracking tasks and creating reports. What I love about Fireflies is its ability to process videos and audio files. For instance, you can upload a video or an audio recording, and it will transcribe the entire content. This allows you to easily search for information, create descriptions, or even prepare teaching materials. This is a must-have tool if you want to work more efficiently, especially in this booming AI era. Before we wrap up, here are a few quick tips for you. Always ensure your privacy settings are configured to protect your data. Use Fireflies for sales meetings. It's super easy to share recordings with clients so they can listen back like a podcast. Take advantage of the search feature to quickly retrieve information from all your previous meetings. The link is in the description below. Click it to sign up and get 25% off on all plans during the Black Friday sale. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe so you won't miss any exciting content from AI Ad Action. Wishing you greater productivity with Fireflies, and see you in the next video.